Proud versus conceited. Both means feeling good about yourself or your achievements. Alright, I'm really proud of you. We really proud of you. We say like that, right? But here is another one, conceited. Conceited, right? Proud feels happy and confident about what you have done. Oh my goodness, I have done this work. So you are proud to yourself. Conceited. Too proud of yourself, your ability, or your looks. Wow, I am very handsome, for example. And for example, someone saying like, I am very smart. No one is like me here, for example, right? This is called conceited. Too proud of yourself, your ability, or your looks. For example, oh my goodness, she said she is very cute in her classroom. There is no one like her. This is not proud. This is this one. So now let's see the example. Proud. He was proud of his hard work and success. Conceited. He was conceited and could not stop admiring himself. It is like, yeah, तू बता मुझसे ज्यादा कोई हैंडसम हो सकता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा एक मीम है ना सो आई एम जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट मीम सो ही वाज कंसीडर्ड एंड couldn't stop admiring himself oh my god मैं इतना खूबसूरत हो सकता हूँ ये हो ही नहीं सकता मतलब मैं इतना सुंदर दिखता हूँ right so let's move to another one are you having fun with me during this time if yes give a smile to someone around you and make the movement. All right, let's see. Curious and intrusive. All right. Both mean wanting to know more about something or someone. I am very curious to know about your, engagement. All right. I'm very curious to know about your engagement. When you're gonna be engaged. I want to dance and sing on your wedding. So please get married as quick as possible. I am personally saying to my friends. All right. So let's see. Both means wanting to know more about something or someone. Curious, interest out of wonder and learning. Intrusive, interested in a way that annoys or makes others uncomfortable. Like doing something very, you know, without any logic. It doesn't even make sense. And you are doing something, but the people are being bored, being annoyed, being distracted by that, nonsense. So we can say intrusive, and we can easily get the example from here. Curious. He was curious and listened with interest. That's great. And another one here, intrusive. He was intrusive and kept uh, spying on her. Like, really? Are you gonna do that? Seriously? Are you sure? But she is getting distracted. Look at his expression of his face. All right, let's move to another one. The word ambitious versus greedy. Ambitious versus greedy. So let's see, both mean wanting more success or wealth. Ambitious wants more through hard work and goals. Greedy wants more through selfishness or excess. So, like, hey, I want to be millionaire in 2 years. I can do anything, whether it's legal, illegal, whether it's positive, negative, it doesn't matter. I want to be millionaire in 2 years, for example. It is greedy, ambitious, success within 5, 10 years. I mean 5 years, within 10 years. So I will do hard work. I will study. I will learn. I will, for example, set the goals and I will do blah blah. So this is ambitious. I think you are clear about this one now. So let's see the examples and the picture. Ambitious. He is ambitious and hard work and works hard to achieve his dreams. That's great. Greedy. He is greedy and wants everything for himself. For example, सब मेरा ही होगा इधर, किसी को थोड़ा parts भी हिस्सा भी share नहीं करने वाला मैं. So now I cannot share even a single part to anyone else. These all are mine. No one can own it here. Okay, this is greedy. Like, look at his expression. This is very negative expression of the face, and this is the positive expression of the face. I think we are clear now. Spontaneous versus impulsive. Spontaneous versus impulsive. Both mean acting suddenly without planning. For example, I didn't have any plan, but I'm going to play this role. I didn't have any plan. I'm just going to somewhere that I didn't have the plan. Okay, so both means are the same, but there is a difference between them. A spontaneous act freely and joy in a positive natural way. For example, you didn't have any plan while you was coming from your home, but after meeting some friends, your friends are making some plans to go somewhere, for example, and you got them on the halfway, and they said, come with us and have fun, and you went with them. Okay, this is a spontaneous. For example, if you are making your moment so joyful, enjoyable, and making some positive memories there with them, so it is about a spontaneous. What about impulsive? Impulsive act without thinking, often leading to regret. For example, I didn't have any plan to talk with you, but I am talking more than enough. More than enough mean, if you are doing something more than enough, it's gonna be waste. You will regret it later. Okay. So spontaneous. He was spontaneous and suddenly decided to take a fun trip. Okay. This is so positive. And what about the next one? Impulsive. He was impulsive and brought something he didn't need. मुझे तो ये भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए, मुझे तो ये भी लेना चाहिए. For example, now he is regretting. For example, this is a pen. Why I brought this one? I don't need this. Now I am regretting. This is impulsive. I think you're clear now. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you a lot and you gain some new vocabulary and learn, and you will be able to use in your daily life, daily activities. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, and don't forget to follow the Facebook page, so you can also share with your friends if you want them to learn something like you. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video. So let's learn together and shine together.